All right, let's get right into it. Norwegian Cruise Line is at it again, and this time they're making a huge splash with their newest ship, the Norwegian Aqua. Now, this is the latest ship in a really popular class, but it's promising a completely fresh take on fun, food, and adventure at sea. So here's what we're going to cover in this explainer. We're going to break down what makes the Aqua a real evolution. We'll look at all the amazing food that's completely on the house. We'll explore the brand new spaces for kids and teens, get a peek at the ship's most heart-pounding thrills, and then wrap it all up by showing you the incredible places this ship is going to take you. Okay, let's jump into our first section, the next wave. So what exactly is this Prima Plus evolution? And what makes the Norwegian Aqua such a big step forward for the cruise line? Well, first off, this isn't just another copy and paste ship. The Aqua is actually the third ship in Norwegian's super successful Prima class, but it's got some really significant upgrades that have earned it its own special title. And this quote from Hair Travel really just nails it. Prima Plus. That's the keyword. It means Norwegian took the blueprint from its sister ships, the Prima and the Viva, which people already loved, and they just amped it up, making it bigger and, well, even better. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. Norwegian made a major trade-off here. They actually got rid of the super popular go-kart racetrack that you find on the other Prima-class ships. But in its place, they've added the world's very first aqua slide coaster, and, this is a big one, a much, much larger main pool deck. That means way more space for everybody to spread out and relax. Okay, let's switch gears and talk about my favorite topic on any cruise, the food, and specifically the incredible amount of food you can get that's completely complimentary. We're talking no extra cost. The absolute star of the show here is the Indulge Food Hall. This concept is a total game changer. You just sit down at one table, you can order from a whole bunch of different food stalls on an iPad, and they bring it all right to you. So if you want tacos and your friend wants noodles, no problem. Everybody gets exactly what they want. And just look at this lineup. You've got everything from awesome Indian food at Tamara to classic Texas barbecue. But what's really new and exciting on the Aqua is Planetary. It's their first ever all plant-based spot inside the food hall. It just goes to show they're really trying to have something for everyone. And remember, all of this is included. And it doesn't even stop there. You've still got your more traditional cruise dining. Hudson's and the Commodore Room are these beautiful main dining rooms for a fantastic sit-down meal. And of course, if you just want a quick, casual bite, the Surfside Cafe and Grill is right there. The sheer amount of included food is, wow, it's really impressive. Okay, so a great cruise has to work for the whole family, right? So let's take a look at how the Aqua handles things for its youngest cruisers, from the little ones all the way up to the teens. And that's really the million-dollar question for anyone planning a family vacation, isn't it? You've got to have places where the kids can just be kids and where teens can have their own space, away from the adults. And the Aqua just nails this. You get the best of both worlds. You've got this super futuristic, high-tech glow court for indoor fun, and then right outside, you've got this awesome expanded aqua park where kids can just splash around all day. For the younger kids, from 3 to 12, there's Splash Academy. And listen, this is way more than just a babysitting spot. It's a fully supervised kids club that's packed with organized activities, arts and crafts, and yep, plenty of video games. It's a space designed completely for them. And of course, we can't forget the teenagers. For them, there's Entourage. It is the perfect hangout spot for them to get away, meet other teens, and get that little bit of independence they're always looking for, all in a totally safe and supervised spot on the ship. All right, it's time for the big showstoppers. We're talking about the stuff beyond the pools and the food. These are the signature thrills and the world-class entertainment that really make this ship stand out from the crowd. And here it is, the main event, the Aqua Slide Coaster. This is the big ride that replaced the racetrack, and it is a world first. It's a ride for two people that literally combines the forces of a roller coaster with the fun of a water slide. So you might be asking, what makes it a coaster and not just a really cool slide? Well, it's the technology. It uses something called linear synchronous motors. It's the same magnetic launch system they use on high-tech roller coasters. What that means is it actually shoots you uphill. So you get that awesome launch feeling without having to climb a single boring stair. It's pretty incredible. We saw this earlier, but the glow court is so cool, it's worth another look. This is not your average gym floor. The entire floor is a giant interactive LED screen. So one minute it's a basketball court, and the next it's a huge immersive video game. It's a crazy, versatile, and futuristic space. And of course, the thrills keep going right into the night. In the theater, you can catch these amazing Broadway-style shows like Revolution, which is a huge celebration of Prince, and an even better version of their top-rated show, Elements. You know, a spectacular ship is really only half the story. The other half is all about the incredible places it can take you. So the big question is, where's the Norwegian Aqua actually going? Well, for its first few seasons, the Aqua is going to be sailing from 3 huge ports in the U.S. Port Canaveral, New York City, and Miami. And from there, it's offering those classic 7-day trips to the Caribbean and voyages to beautiful Bermuda. So for anyone on the East Coast, you've got some fantastic options. So there you have it. That's the Norwegian Aqua. You've got more space, more complimentary food, and more unique thrills than ever. It's a new style of ship for a whole new kind of adventure. So I guess the only question left is, from the warm Caribbean to the pink sands of Bermuda, where would your adventure begin?